Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. MsSilver here, and today I am back with a new tutorial, and this is how to touch up your roots at home using bleach and also color matching my hair to my Irresistible Me hair extensions. I've had this hair color before, but with quarantine and of course washing my hair so much, the color has faded away and my roots are extremely long. So I'm gonna begin this tutorial by showing you guys all the products that I use to bleach my roots. So to begin, I'm going to be taking an empty bowl and I'm going to start applying my blue flash powder liner. And I love this bleach just because it does help me to lighten 7 to 8 tones quick. This has been the most efficient bleach for me. So if you guys have another brand, it's completely fine. Then I'm going to be taking my Iron 40 volume developer. Now don't come after me. I know I could use a 10 or a 20 or even a 30, but I like to do this quick. I don't like to spend hours bleaching my hair. I only leave these for 20 minutes, so don't come after me on the comments. I have really dark hair, as you guys can see, so I mean, it gets the job done, as you guys will be seeing. As you guys can see, I have to part my hair in 4 different sections. That way I can get the bleach structure just the way that I like. I just rather work in sections. So I'm going to be applying the bleach only on my dark roots, nothing on the lighter side. So kind of keep an eye for that if you're bleaching your hair at home. I don't want to be bleaching what's already bleached, so this is only staying on the roots. As you guys can see, I always like to begin on the back part of my head. I just feel like my hair is more stubborn in the back and I always have a harder time lifting the shade in the back. And as for the front, I'm a little bit more on the sensitive side. So once I see the front that has lightened enough, I know for sure that the back is ready. So I have the bleach on no more than 20 minutes. If you have a sensitive skin, you are not too sure, 10 minutes will be fine. Again, I am using a 40 volume developer, so if you feel a little uneasy about it, 10-15 minutes will be okay. Yes, 20 minutes later, I rinsed my hair and the color lifted just beautifully. I mean, this even looks pretty without any color. The developer did its job. I literally got rid of most of the black. Now, before I do dry it, I do like to use this Joico. It's a leave-in conditioner. It's a moisturizer. It's a hair mask, excuse me, and it gets the job done. Right now, my hair is gonna go through a lot, so even before the dye, it is okay to apply a little bit of oil or a leave-in conditioner. So before we do any of that, I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair and make sure that my hair looks good, that I got all the spots, and I'll be back to show you guys how my hair looks once it's nice and dry. So as you guys know, the hair color will always look lighter once the hair is dry, and here's the tip: always dry your hair thoroughly before applying any hair dye. So let's move on to the colors that I will be using for this look. I know a lot of people might come after me because I use a drugstore box hair dye, but this is my absolute favorite. I've tried the Iron, the Wella brands. I've used so many, but I always come back to the same products. I love them. They're the best for my hair, in my opinion. So I'm going to show you guys how I prepare it and nail this color to a copper blood orange hair dye. Now, I do want to invite you guys to check out the description box so you guys can check out all the products that I'm going to be using for this video. Really love about the L'Oreal C74 hair dye is that it comes with a color booster, which gives my hair that boldness, that vivid color that I'm looking for. Now, I know that I didn't add the other clip for the other hair dye. I am using it as well. So check out the color for this hair dye. Now, I know that right now as I put it on, it might look like it's a little burgundy, but wait until the end of this video to be amazed. I did leave the hair dye on my hair for about 37 minutes. So I will be back and show you guys how this hair turned out after I washed it. This is how my hair turned out after a good long shower. Now, I didn't wash with hot water, a little bit more on the colder side, and I am loving it. It looks a little bit darker right now that it's wet, but once it's dry, it's gonna pick up its original color. But before I dry it, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of my blowout spray by Amika, and I'm also going to be using the Joico hair mask, and I use it as a leave-in conditioner because it really hydrates and moisturizes my hair. It's actually one of my favorite products, and I want to come and show you guys the Irresistible Me hair extensions that were sent to me a couple weeks ago, and how badass it turned out, because I literally nailed the hair color to these amazing hair extensions. Now, in the description box, you guys will also be able to find the link to these hair extensions, and let's go ahead and dry this hair and see how it turns out. This tutorial, I am using the Revlon hair dryer and volumizer, also available on the description box. I just love the body that this dryer gives my hair, natural volume. And guys, look how amazing, how gorgeous this hair turned out. But before we finish this look, I want to apply my hair extensions by Irresistible Me and give you guys a final look at how good these hair extensions look. And I mean, I nailed this hair color. I can't get over it. And my hair extensions are from Irresistible Me brand, and the shade for these hair extensions are Classic Light Red number 130, and I love them. Now, these are 100% handmade Remy hair extensions. They can be styled, cut, colored, curled. I love them because you get everything in one set. They're really, really thick. They blend very, very beautifully, and the best part is that they're very easy to put on because they're clip-ons. I know that Irresistible Me has a deal going on right now for hair extensions. They are on sale, so make sure you guys check them out on the description box. And also, if you think they're a little pricey, they have payment plans with Klarna, so make sure you check them out and get your hair extension set. You know, it could be a little headache to find the right shade for you, and the best thing about Irresistible Me company is that they will actually help you to choose out the right shade for you, and they offer an amazing service where you just take a picture, email it to them, and they choose the color for you. Isn't that awesome? And they also have a free shipping. They have clip-in hair extensions, tape-ins, ponytails, hair tools. I mean, so many things to choose from, so make sure you guys check them out. This has to be my favorite track. It has so much hair. Just look how thick this is. It's amazing. I love it. I mean, it looks beautiful with my hair. And I do wanted to remind you guys that Irresistible Me has a different lengths. They don't just work with one length. They have 14, 16, 20, 24, 28 inches long for the hair extensions. So make sure you check them out. And they also have free shipping and a 30-day of returns. How gorgeous does this look? I know I've said it so many times and I'm probably driving you guys crazy, but I can't get over it how beautiful my hair looks. I mean, it is a long process, but it's completely worth it. And come on, look how beautiful these hair extensions blended in with my hair. I love it. Well, here is the final look for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. As you guys can see, I did get an even tone at the top. Sometimes people are a little bit skeptical from dyeing only your roots. So don't forget, once your hair is bleached, you don't have to bleach it again for color. And I mean, it looks like it's all my hair, right? It doesn't even look like I have clip-on hair extensions. So I love that. Again, all the items are on the description box. I want to invite you guys to like this video, subscribe, drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think, and I will be seeing you guys again on the next tutorial.